So one of the things that investors are hopeful about Intel is that its foundry business is gaining new customers, and there's been speculation about several big name customers joining Intel, purchasing big quantities of the company's semiconductor capabilities, including NVIDIA, Apple. There's been some rumors and some indications that the company could win some major customers, especially because the current administration in the United States is trying to encourage manufacturing of semiconductors in the United States. And the companies I highlighted earlier, including Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, and others, are notable for manufacturing and outsourcing their manufacturing overseas to places like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company and others, and the US administration wants to onshore that activity. So you can see with the decline in the company's sales, coupled with their aggressive investments in manufacturing, their returns on invested capital have collapsed from levels near 20% in 2018 all the way down to negative 12% in 2024 before rebounding to negative 2.2% in the most recent period. Of course, this collapse caused the previous CEO, Pat Gelsinger, his job, and he's been replaced now. And the new CEO has been more focused on being more prudent with the investments in capital expenditure, with the investments in manufacturing and expansion and technology. So along with the returns on invested capital, the cash flow from operations to sales ratio had also collapsed all the way down to 15.6%, down from levels above 35% for several consecutive years. So as Intel's stock price has increased, so has the company's valuations. And when measuring on a forward PE basis, Intel is now trading at near the most expensive it's been trading for, according to this metric, at 95. But Intel's valuation metrics using market multiples are all out of whack because of the significant investments in manufacturing, because of restructuring, job cuts, sales of certain segments, etc., etc. So it's less informative viewing Intel's valuation based on the market multiples method. My intrinsic value calculation using my proprietary discounted cash flow model, which calculated a fair value for Intel stock at $29. Current market price is $40, even after that 8% decline today. So while I'm happy to see Intel's success, and so I will be reiterating my hold rating for Intel stock for 2026.
Click the link below to watch the full video.